up in lights, he just wants to be heard. Whether it's the beat or the mic, he feels so unlike everybody else, alone. In spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% beer, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time, before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
Oh! Ano to? Kala niyo si Balong to, no? Si Balto! Ako nga pala, Mr. Pogi ng Stockport.
Shit, may tumatawag. Hi, ako nga pala si John, ang Mr. Pogi ng Stockport. This is my talent.
Hi! I'm Paul Morales.
Mr. Pogi ng Bolton.
Hindi ko wala akong talent eh.
Hindi pwede. Yan,
Kanta
dahil
na lang
nakalit
ako.
ko, maarte ka na eh.
Kanta na lang ako. Imo ka, imo. Nalimutan mo na ba ang mga pangako mo? Sabi mo,
Ano may kumadandan?
ang tanging nasa puso mo. Hanggang wakas di
Baka may kadyang pala.
Pangako mo hindi magbabago.
April Boy!
Naaalala ko pa nga. Mahal ko. Tama na yan!
Contestant number 3, Randy David.
Hi, I'm Andy David. And my talent is... Sakuragi! Saan tama mo? Nun. Maestro! 1, 2, 3, go! Uds! Ang galing mo!
Noon sa amin sa Singkatuna, mahaharot ang mga binata. Sang araw na inabangan, Appeal Day ay ipinagdiriwang. Hawak-hawak kamay, yamot mo ang tagay. Kahit sobrang lasing, walang nag-aaway. Kunin mo ng gitara, lahat ay kakanta. Kahit wala sa tono, basta sama-sama. Andito na ang buong barkada, may soft drinks na at lapad na grandma. Kahit kailan maisipan, Appeal Day ay ipinagdiriwang. Hawak-hawak kamay, yamot mo ang tagay. Kahit sobrang lasing, walang nag-aaway. Kunin mo ng gitara, lahat ay kakanta. Kahit wala sa tono, basta sama-sama. Appeal Day tayo, Appeal Day tayo. Paboritong holiday namin to. Appeal Day tayo, Appeal Day tayo. Paboritong holiday namin to. Halika, tara na, mas solido pagkasama ka. Halika, tara na, mas solido pagkasama ka. Kunin mo ng gitara, lahat ay kakanta. Kahit wala sa tono, basta't sama-sama. Ay, 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 ay.
Sabihin nila, pag lumaki ka daw, lalaki rin yung ano mo. Tok my body. Pero, si body hindi lumaki. Salamat. Malapit.
Hi! Ako pala si John, ang Mr. Pogi ng Stockport. Sabi nga nila, ang taong di marunong sabi ng galingan, may stick na eh!
May kasabihan po tayo na ang batang makulit, pinapalo sa pit. Ang baklang makulit, tinutuhog sa pit.